Hey everybody, good morning. This is Gary with Nash, Everett. Just wanted to touch base on a subject that comes across my desk every once in a while, and that is water loss or water claims for insurance. You will find a lot of homeowners are going to call their insurance company the minute something happens, right? So we have a water damage in the house. The first thing you do is call your insurance company. And you think, it's warm and fuzzy and they want to help you and they're really here to make sure that you're taken care of. A lot of the times what they're going to do is they're going to have one of their premier service providers come out immediately and assess the situation for you. And what a premier service provider is, it's a contractor, usually a larger contractor. And let's be honest about the larger contractors. That most of them are using temporary workers and people who just really don't have the experience to get the work done properly. They're going to be recommending their service providers, their premier service providers for you. The issue with this is that they have a inclination to want to reduce the scope of work because they're getting a lot of work from these insurance companies. They're handing it over to them, and you're feeling like you're being taken care of, but at the same time, you may not be. This is not always the case, but it comes back to me all the time where this wasn't done properly. The water damage wasn't addressed properly. There was things missed, and it's done almost intentionally to keep the costs lower for the insurance company. This makes everybody happy, right? The contractor's happy. He gets all this work from the insurance company, and the insurance company's happy because they have to pay out less of a claim. So, just a little piece of information, you are not required to use these premier service providers that the insurance company is getting out to your house. It is not stated in your contract or your insurance policy that you are required to use these people. Make a choice, a very important choice, when you have water damage in your house, to have somebody else come in besides your insurance company provider, because they have no skin in the game, right? Somebody else is going to come in, they're going to look for the water damage, they're going to make sure that they're covering everything is going to be dried out properly, the right materials are being pulled out. And if your insurance company is pushing, sometimes they'll even push it, they're a little aggressive with this, you have to say, hey, listen, I'm going to be getting estimates from somebody else also. So you're protecting yourself. If they're pushing it too hard, that's actually illegal. It's called steering, right? They're steering you towards their contractor, and they're saying, oh, you have to use our contractor. Just remember, you have no obligation to use another contractor, to use your insurance company's contractor. So just a little tidbit of information for you, because I feel like people get caught up in the everybody's scared when something like that happens. They want it taken care of right away. So you get caught up in everything, and you wind up sometimes regretting the issue. Recently, this just came back to me because I just read an article where a couple had the same situation happen to them. The insurance company recommended their provider, and they came in and they missed a bunch of stuff, and mold started growing within 48 hours of them finishing the job, and they wound up having to call in their own contractor to correct it, and they're now in a lawsuit with both the insurance company and the contractor providers. So listen, this is a hard decision, and it's a scary time when something like that happens, but remember, you are in control. You choose who does your work for you, and you can make that call yourself. So just a little piece of information for you. My name is Gary with Nash, Everett. I am the owner. If you ever need any help, you can always reach out to us or me on my personal cell phone at 848-202-5026. Have a great day.